Welcome to Easy Coloring Drawing. Hello my dears. Purple color, gray color, orange color, pink color, green color, red color, yellow color. Let's start. First I am drawing a plate.
Woo!
Please subscribe. An apple. I am drawing a strawberry.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
It's a banana.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H,
I am drawing cherries.
Woo! Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Now I am drawing a fork.
Woo! Next time, won't you sing with me?
I am drawing a knife.
Woo!
Red color.
Woo! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Brown color.
Woo! My ABCs.
Green color.
Woo! Sing with me.
Pink color.
Woo! C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
Yellow color.
Woo! Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Crimson color.
Woo!
Brown color.
Woo!
Gray color.
Woo!
Purple color.
Woo! A, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
Orange
L,
color.
M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Light yellow color.
Woo! T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
See you on next video.